Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's session, we will be going to see that how we will be going to install, or maybe we will be going to have that virtual environment of the Metasploitable. So those who did not know how to install this particular VMware, or those who did not know how to install the Kali Linux, please watch out my video where I have explained this installation of the VMware and as well as the Kali Linux in a very step-by-step manner. That is a 20 or 21 minutes video. Please do not miss that out. After that, the second part is we will be going to make the virtualization machine of the Metasploitable. So let's see how we will be gonna do it. So first of all, you have to open the Google Chrome. After opening the Google Chrome, you just have to search it here, Metasploitable 2. Then there is a source for something. This URL is coming. Once this URL is coming, you just have to click on download. It will be auto start the download after taking 2 to 3 seconds. You can see it here. Once it is started, so you can see it is already started here. Once it is started and downloadation will be going to get completed, then what gonna happen? Once it started and downloadation is going to get completed, then you will be going to get one zip file. Okay, let me show you how the zip file will be look like. Just give me a second. Okay. So Metasploitable zip file will be look like something like this. Let me show you. Okay. So in this way, this Metasploitable file will be look like. Then what you have to do, you have to just right click here, and after doing the right click, you just have to do the extraction of all. So once you are going to click on the extracted, so it will be going to feature out in this way, and you have to extract it. So the same kind of the folder will be gonna appear. So we have already downloaded it. That's why I'm stopping the download. And now I have done the extraction here. So after the extraction, the file will be gonna appear here that. So after extraction, you can see this particular file is appear here and it will be in this way. Okay. Now close this particular sort of stuffs. Close this particular sort of stuffs, and after closing it, you just have to open the VMware. Once you open that particular VMware, then it will be gonna open it. Once it will be going to get opened, then what you have to do, once it will be going to get open, you just have to go to the home, or either you can click on the file. If you go to the file, still here is the same option and here is also the same option. Now you have to click on the open virtual machine. Remember that in Kali Linux time, we have click on the create new virtual machine. This time we have to click on the open new virtual machine. Once you click on the open new virtual machine, then you have to find out that particular Metasploitable folder. Mostly it will be in your download, but as of now for practical demo, I kept it over the desktop. So your folder will be available in the download after the extraction. If you not extract it, then it will be a little bit difficult. Then double click on it. After double clicking on it, again double click on it, and then there is only one file which is coming here. You have to select that file and you just have to click on open. So you can see all supported file, or either you wanted to see all the kind of file, you can just click on the all file. But remember that you have only select this particular file, which is a virtual machine. See, VMware virtual machine configuration. So you have to select that file and click on open. Once you are selecting that file and clicking on open, then what gonna happen? It will be automatically going to get installed here. No rocket science, nothing. It is a pretty straightforward. Once it is installed here, then you have to come here with the Metasploitable, and no configuration need to be changes, nothing need to be changed. Okay, so configuration need to be keep same as it is. Then click on power on this virtual machine. As soon as you will be going to click power on this virtual machine will be going to start it. It is taking the very small time So just wait. Once it is started, the screen will be look like in this particular manner. Okay. Now, once your screen will be going to get look like in this particular manner, you have to type here the username and as well as the password. So remember that by default the username is MSFADMIN. MSFADMIN. This is the username, and password is also same. Please listen it carefully. Password will not gonna visible to you. You just have to type it and hit the enter button. Again, I'm repeating it. Password will not going to visible to you. You just have to type it and just hit the enter button. And what is the password? Password is also same as the username. Password is also MSFADMIN, and hitting the enter. Once you are hitting the enter and you are getting this kind of the window, it means what? You are successfully able to logged in into the system. Once you are logged into the system, now you have to type the particular command to check it. ifconfig. So we can see that particular IP address and everything. We will be able to see it here. Now see, whenever you will be going to click it here, you will be lost your cursor. Remember that whenever you will be going to click, you will be lost your cursor. So at that point of a time, if you can observe on my screen, there is a one option here. See, it is written to direct this VM, click inside or press Ctrl+G. Okay, so maybe there is some kind of the instruction is coming to you. If not, then what I will be doing, just press the Ctrl+Alt on your keyboard, and then your cursor will be going to get release. And if in your case there is a function key, then press function key, Ctrl and Alt, then your cursor will be going to get release. So here we have specifically done the successful configuration of the Kali machine and as well as the Metasploitable. So the Kali machine and Metasploitable 2 are over. Now the lab part. It means with the help of the Kali machine, we will be going to attack on this, you can say that the server kind of thing, which is a test environment of the Metasploitable. So we will be going to see now the practical way. Whatever we have discussed till now in the ethical hacking phases and as well as the penetration testing phases, now we will be going to see that thing in a stepwise manner. Now remember one thing, if you are not seeing the IP address something like this 192.168.245.129, it might be different for you, but if it is something coming like 10.20. Or something like that, not related to the 192.168, then what you have to do, you just have to go to the Kali configuration. After going to the Kali configuration, you just have to visit that particular configuration part. So edit the virtual machine setting. Let's see here. After double clicking on it, you just have to go to the, after coming here by clicking on edit virtual machine setting, you will be see this kind of the pages appear here. Go to the network adapter and you have to change your setting from the network adapter to the net if it is not giving. If on the net it is not giving, then you have to select the breach. Okay, so just toggle in between them. Your end goal or end target should be like in your Metasploitable, you should get this particular IP address in the terms of 192, because we are making the local connectivity of the labs. Okay, so if you face this kind of issue, please do that. So again, let's meet on the another video where we will be going to make the hacking environment with understanding of some sort of the basic commands. Till then, bye bye, keep learning, keep hacking.